Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today. Yes, we will continue the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, June the 16th, 2022. We have four puzzles to go. I've only solved the first one. This first one is a 3-star Sudoku. It's really of 3 stars. And the second one, the 4-star Sudoku, it's getting harder and harder today. Yes, I don't like this weather. The heat wave is coming for the coming 3 days. All right, 4 stars number 4709. Before start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me do this. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. 24 printed digits. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have 3 ones. We have 3 twos, 3 fours, 3 fives, 3 sixes, 2 sevens, 2 eights, and 2 nines. So it's divided. So I think a lot of pairs then. I think a lot of pairs. We will see. All right. Let me see. Yeah. All right. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the first column, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. Okay. Then 4, 4, 4, 6, 6, 5, 5, 5. I'm thinking. 5, 5, 5, 5. 2, 8. 9, 6, 7. We have a 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this column, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this column. So no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this row. So no 7 there, 7 should be there. These 3 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. And look, we have a 3 and an 8 in this row. So no 3 and 8 in this box. The 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. 1 digit left in this big square should be the number 4. 2 numbers left in this row. For the second row, for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. And we have a pair. 7 and a 6 in this column, 7 and a 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 7 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 6, 7 and a 6. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 7, 7. 7. Okay. All right. 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 1. We have a 4 and a 1 in this column. So no 4 and a 1 in these 3 boxes. The 4 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. There's a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. So what are the other three numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9. So what are the other two numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. Of course. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. So 1 digit left in this column. Here we have 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9. The 1 digit left. The 1, the 2 is missing. Okay. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the middle column for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 and the 9 are missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 8, 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in this row, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 5. We have an 8 and a 5 in this row, so no 8 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 8 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 5, 8 and a 5. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2, the 3, 2, the 3. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. We have a 9 in the last row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 9 should be here. 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9. So this box should be a 9. So 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 8 are missing. 3 and the 8. We have a 3 in this row. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 3 in this row. 3 in the last row. So the row between. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column. So no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Let me mark those. So here we have a pair, 1 and a 4. So what are the other 2 numbers in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. And here we have a pair in this column. Okay. Then 8, 8. 6, 6. Yeah, 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this column, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. So now we have 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, The 7 and the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the third row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then, let me see, 3, 8, and then 9. Yeah, 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the third column, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. Now we have 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 8 are left, the 3 and the 8 in the first row, 3 and the 8, we have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. Let me see, we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in this row, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7, we have a 3 here. In the third column, so no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 7 there, so this box should be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be at 5. 5 in this column, third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, only place left for the 4 should be there. Find no 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 3 in the first column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes for 4 stars. Well, no, it's not the 4 stars. It's not the 3 stars. It's not the 2 stars. It's rather a 1 star. And I like this one, yes. Comparing with the previous Sudoku, I need twice as much time than this one, so you cannot always say a 4 stars Sudoku is more difficult than a 3 stars Sudoku. Sometimes you have a lot of pairs or hidden numbers, so yeah, it's definitely a 1 star. 12 minutes, so I'm well surprised with this one. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file to solve it or make it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on this hot day. The other 3 puzzles, the binary puzzle, the tectonic, and the killer Sudoku are left for you. Until then, bye bye for now.